Hello students, how are you? I hope you will be fine at home and missing your school a lot. Students, do you know why you are staying at home? Yes, because of COVID-19 pandemic. So stay at home and be safe. I'm Nisha ma'am is going to teach you the first chapter, that is family. We will learn the first chapter, that is family relationship, and the first part of that. What is family? A family consists of married couple and their children, both natural born to that couple and adopted. Family members share a common residence and surname. Again I am repeating, a family consists of a married couple and their children, both natural born to that couple and adopted. All family members love and respect one another. The needs of the members are fulfilled by a family. It looks after the children as well as the sick and the old members. Family is the first school where the children learn the do's and don'ts of the society. It means what is good and what is bad for them. They all learn in their family. The family members share the household chores. Sharing reduces the burden of the family members and encourages responsibility. For example, here is the picture of Angad's family. The first picture is Angad. Second picture is Angad's father, Mr. Sunny Singh. Third picture is Angad's mother, Mrs. Neetu Singh. Both Angad's father and Angad's mother look after the family business. The next picture is Angad's brother, Adit Singh. He takes him to the park. Next picture is Angad's grandmother, Dr. Pramila Singh. She helps him in his homework. She also looks the health of the family and she narrates wonderful story for Angad. The next picture is Angad's grandfather, Dr. Kamaljit Singh. He buys vegetables for the family and he takes the children to the school and for nature walk. So this way all family members help each other. The children learn good behavior, moral values and skills by watching the members of the family. The older family member automatically pass on values and family tradition to the younger generation. The children learn to talk politely, greet their guests and respect their elders. They also learn family crafts like weaving, painting, jewelry making, pottery, etc. It means children learn everything in their family. Now, there are two types of family, joint family and nuclear family. And children, we will learn about this in our next part, next class. So, now my class is over. I have some question for your home assignment. Question number 1. What is family? Name two types of families. Question number 2. Mention the things children learn by watching the family members. Question number 3. What do the family members share in common? So, children, I think you have learned a lot in our first class. Thank you.